Stop!
Hi guys, welcome back to Reagan's Reading Channel.
Stop!
Ooh la la, my family is posh. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Fancy Nancy, and I'm Maddie.
Girl.
That's me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, is it starting?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. My parents give me a beautiful bouquet of flowers.
Wait, start from Merci, I say.
Okay.
Oh wait, sorry. Start from my parents gave me beautiful.
My parents gave me a beautiful bouquet. How do you say?
Bouquet.
My parents gave me a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Merci. My favorite color is fuchsia. Did I say that right? Fuchsia. Hi guys, and welcome.